Hi guys, looking for the best dash cam for your vehicle? Our expert guide will help you choose the right model at the best price so that you can record what happens on the road in case of accidents and incidents. So to help you with your decision, we have listed top 10 dash cam and their key features plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 10. Mirror DVR Car Video Recorder Ultra HD 2.5K Dash. This Car DVR dash cam is here with the 67% price off. Now you can get it at around $53 in today's fast-paced world. Staying safe on the road has never been more crucial. The Mirror DVR Car Video Recorder offers an enhanced driving experience with its 2.5K Ultra HD recording capabilities, a generous 10-inch rear-view display. Brand name GMI. Capture every detail with the Mirror DVR's 2.5K Ultra HD resolution. This advanced camera provides stunningly clear video footage, ensuring that you never miss a moment, even in challenging lighting conditions. Say goodbye to blind spots with the Mirror DVR's spacious 10-inch rear-view display. This large screen offers a comprehensive view of what's happening behind your vehicle. The next is Number 9. 4K plus Full HD 1080p dash cam Wi-Fi dual lens Car DVR. This Car DVR dash cam is here with a 52% price off. Now you can get it at around $48. Are you seeking the latest in dash cam technology, offering unparalleled features for your vehicle's safety and security? Look no further. This cutting-edge dual lens Car DVR takes your driving experience to the next level. Brand name AZDOME. Equipped with two lenses, this dash cam captures the road ahead and behind your vehicle simultaneously. No incident or event will go unnoticed, providing you with complete peace of mind. Capture the road with unparalleled clarity using 4K plus Full HD 1080p video resolution. Whether you're recording scenic drives or crucial moments on the road, this dash cam ensures the highest level of visual detail. The next is Number 8. LF9 Pro Dashcam for Car Wi-Fi App Control Video. This Car DVR Dashcam is here with the 63% price off. Now you can get it at around $19. Are you in search of a state-of-the-art dashcam that offers a host of advanced features for your vehicle? Look no further. The LF9 Pro Dashcam is the ideal solution for elevating your driving experience and ensuring your safety on the road. Brand name Tahei. Equipped with Wi-Fi app control and high-definition video recording capabilities, this dash cam is a game-changer for any car enthusiast. The LF9 Pro captures every detail with stunning 1080p Full HD video quality. Whether you're interested in recording your scenic road trips or documenting any incidents on the road, this dash cam delivers the visual clarity you desire. The next is Number 7. 3-channel dash cam front inside rear 3-way. This Car DVR dash cam is here with the 49% price off. Now you can get it at around $44. In today's driving landscape, a reliable dash cam is more important than ever. Introducing our advanced 1080p dual camera dash cam designed for cars, which not only records the front view but also the interior of your vehicle. Brand name AZDOME. Equipped with IR night vision, loop recording, and a wide-angle lens, this Car DVR camera is the ultimate solution for comprehensive and high-quality recording. Our dashcam features dual 1080p cameras, providing you with both front and interior views. This dual camera setup ensures that you capture events both outside and inside your car simultaneously, offering an extra layer of security and accountability. The next is Number 6. 1080p dual camera dashcam for cars front. This Car DVR dashcam is here with the 67% price off. Now you can get it at around $12. In today's driving landscape, a reliable dash cam is more important than ever. Introducing our advanced 1080p dual camera dashcam designed for cars, which not only records the front view but also the interior of your vehicle. Brand named Triuse. Equipped with IR night vision, loop recording, and a wide-angle lens, this Car DVR camera is the ultimate solution for comprehensive and high-quality recording. Our Dashcam features dual 1080p cameras, providing you with both front and interior views. This dual camera setup ensures that you capture events both outside and inside your car simultaneously, offering an extra layer of security and accountability. The next is Number 5 Dashcam 4K 38402160p Car DVR Recorder 4-inch. This Car DVR Dashcam is here with a 54% price off. Now you can get it at around $45. This advanced dashcam, equipped with a 38402160p 4K resolution, a 4-inch rear-view camera, night vision capabilities, a G-sensor, GPS support, and Wi-Fi connectivity, provides all the features you need for a safer and more connected driving experience. Camera resolution 3840 by 2160. In an era where safety and accountability on the road are of utmost importance, the 4K dashcam stands out as an exceptional choice for drivers. The dashcam boasts an impressive 4K resolution of 38402160 pixels, ensuring that every detail on the road is captured with stunning clarity. Whether you're recording scenic drives or need evidence in the event of an incident, this camera's high-definition video ensures you won't miss a thing. The next is Number 4. Car DVR Carplay Android Auto Dashcam 4K. This Car DVR Dashcam is here with a 52% price off. Now you can get it at around $53. In today's fast-paced world, staying connected and ensuring safety while on the road is paramount. The 10.26 Car DVR is a remarkable innovation designed to enhance your driving experience. Brand name DVR. Packed with features such as CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, 4K 38402160 front camera, 1080p rear camera, voice control, GPS functionality, Wi-Fi connectivity, and dual lenses, stay seamlessly connected with your smartphone using CarPlay and Android Auto. These platforms provide access to your favorite apps, navigation, and music directly from the dashcam screen. The next is Number 3. Srnubi 10-foot car mirror video recording AI voice GPS. This Car DVR dashcam is here with a 52% price off. Now you can get it at around $51. The Srnubi 10-inch car mirror is here to redefine your driving experience with a wide array of cutting-edge features, including video recording, AI voice integration, GPS navigation, dashboard DVR functionality, CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and seamless wireless connections. Brand name Srnubi. In today's fast-paced world, staying connected and safe while on the road is more important than ever. Crystal clear video recording. The Srnubi 10-inch car mirror features advanced video recording capabilities that capture your journey with impeccable clarity. Whether it's for documenting your trips, enhancing safety, or simply reliving your adventures, this car mirror has you covered. The next is Number 2. OBDPEAK T30 Car DVR Rearview Mirror Camera Wi-Fi. This Car DVR Dashcam is here with a 50% price off. Now you can get it at around $103. Revolutionize the way you drive with the OBDPEAK T30 Car DVR Rearview Mirror Camera, a powerful dashcam that boasts an array of innovative features. Brand name OBDPEAK. From seamless Wi-Fi connectivity to the latest Android 12 operating system, GPS navigation, CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility, and an AI-enhanced screen video recorder, this device is designed to enhance your journey in every way. Cutting-edge Android 12 OS, the OBDPEAK T30 is equipped with the Android 12 operating system, offering a smooth and responsive user interface. The next is Number 1. AZDOME M300S Car Recorders 4K plus 1080p rear. This Car DVR Dashcam is here with the 30% price off. Now you can get it at around $70. Are you ready to enhance your driving experience and ensure safety on the road? The AZDOME M300S Car Recorder is here to elevate your journey with its cutting-edge features. From its remarkable 4K and 1080p dual camera setup to its inclusion of a free 64GB TF card, this dashcam has everything you need to capture every moment during your travels. Brand name AZDOME. Stunning 4K plus 1080p resolution. With the AZDOME M300S, you can capture high-quality footage in both 4K and 1080p resolution. This means you'll be able to record crystal clear details, ensuring that you never miss important moments on the road. 800MP lens. The 800MP lens delivers incredible clarity and sharpness, allowing you to capture even the smallest details. So this is the best option for you to buy.